Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one stop to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. So today we have some important news that is about UK and the government's trying to increase the minimum income and so on. UK pauses Sunak government's move to raise minimum income. Is that a threshold for family visas? Well, why is that? The UK has halted the proposed rise in the minimum income required for the family visas affecting Indian families. The existing GBP 29,000 threshold remains until the Migration Advisory Committee reviews its effects on the families and sectors like IT and engineering, which rely heavily on the international recruitment. UK is basically at a big risk having to find highly skilled professionals in IT sectors and banking according to the new research. Also, UK has a pressing need to address its skill shortages or its risk falling behind international peers. Alongside New Zealand, Portugal, Switzerland, Canada, UK could find a major challenge in finding people to fill in for emerging roles in the future. On the other hand, USA, China, India, Brazil, Germany rank in the top 5 when it comes to the talent networks in all sectors. To ensure UK can continue to compete on a global stage, it needs to start the supply of talent with the right skills, said Nigel Kirkham, the Chief Executive of Enterprise Solutions at Hayes. They say many employers have been cautious on taking on new staff because of the political and economic uncertainty. So the question is, what does the future hold for UK? According to the Hayes analysis, UK has the urgent need of addressing its skills shortages to remain in the competition globally. So this was some important news about UK, and we will keep filling in with more such information. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.